It's still too soon to call it love. I know it's more than just a crush. We're getting closer every day. And when you look at me that way, all I can say is if I open up my heart to you, I just need to know you feel it too. Will you be the one to make my dreams come true if I open up my heart to you? I got a feeling this could be something I thought I'd never see. You're on my mind, night after night. Something keeps telling me it's alright. So give me a sign. So if I open up my heart to you, I just need to know you feel it too. Will you be the one to make my dreams come